Kuthiwa wena wahamba eDriefontein. Mawufika eDriefontein wawatshela akazi ngubani wabatshela. Kodwa umphakathi eDriefontein bowazi ukuthi khona uKaizer Motaung. Kwafika wena.
WangaseDriefontein.
Wakuphi?
Wasephongolo.
Wayenza lento. Abatekisi bebabulala ngamkhondo.
Cha, azababulale bebalungisa legebengu.
Bebenzani osomatekisi bebalungisa igebengu kodwa bebabulala igebengu?
No. Abatekisi bebadiscipline igebengu.
Bezifana abayidiscipline.
Bese ziyaba.
Back in the days, before you became Kaizer Motaung,
Long time ago.
he was once Kaizer Motaung.
I was betrayed. They are very much intelligent.
Exactly.
A frustrated person. Because he don't want to address his or her problem.
Exactly.
Top of the afternoon.
Top of the afternoon.
Top of the afternoon. Welcome. Chef, Papa does. Truthfully, I was drinking quality shit. I mean, quality booze. You know, when you're drinking quality,
Still
you don't,
shit.
Yeah, it tastes like shit. But anyways, I love it. Sanibonani emakhaya sanibingelela. Imagine as I've always tried imagining myself doing a TV show.
Yeah.
Or reading the news for that matter.
That would suit you.
Reading the news?
Yeah.
No, fuck, man.
Am I lying back? It's a question. I'm just asking. If you refuse to answer, we move. If you refuse, we don't have a problem. We move, Chief.
All right, very well. Salman, it's another exciting episode of the Wave Sessions podcast. This is Mr. S, and we've got a special guest today. On today, we'll Coca-Cola, but we all know he doesn't drink Coke. When Mumshino offers Coca-Cola, you see the funny part?
He's pretending today.
No. Uyayibona inyembezi zikalokhu njalo manje uyahleba uyakhomba lapho
Hook me up.
uthi hayi uyahleba lapha
This is what I want.
yeah, but anyways, Oppo is here. Where have you been? How many episodes did you miss, or how many did I miss?
Before I don't know if this one is going to make it to YouTube.
Oh, Konje Machine has a tendency of deleting stuff and losing memory cards.
And all of that stuff, all of that chairs.
And screwing baby mamas.
Yeah, and having twins from 2 to 3 mothers.
And he stays with them.
Yesterday, 5 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, think about it's 5 o'clock in the morning.
Anyways, it's November.
5 o'clock in the morning. She need baby mamas away. And he had to choose where to sleep that night.
But anyways, last night was dope.
Yeah.
It was awesome.
Yeah.
So now we need to decide ukuthi senza njani ngomhla ka 29 November.
Okay.
So the team needs to be split into 2.
All right.
So that we cover content here and we cover content there.
Where is that?
Homecoming, Yagamens. It's on the 29th, and again on the 29th, it's Duncan's birthday celebration.
Are you going to Nambeti?
I think I should go to Nambeti.
And Sakile Umbolile Wenzenzo City. 2 minutes means. Just a brief interview. Just because he loves Maskandi. You, Mawati Sakile.
It was
finish.
flowing. It was flowing.
Let me tell you something.
The conversation was flowing.
Sakile has a beautiful skill of interviewing our Maskandi artists.
Come on, I've only introduced. I mean,
no. Don't force to think I phone. When it comes to the Maskandi artist, you flow, my brother.
because I listen to
I'm giving you a compliment.
Compliment when you flash, baby.
No, you want me to suck his dick, and I'm not gay. So
Mshini said he tested utshwala. Ngiyambona manje ngathi lento yotshwala iyamngena nangu manje uthatha icoke uyithelebhodleleni yotshwala. But anyways, as simple as
organize yourself, chief. So
So you're saying I'm bad with the other artists?
No, don't. That one fun. Don't be a bitch, man.
I'm asking.
You don't have a pussy, my bro.
I'm
Because
asking.
I'm giving you a compliment. Fine, baby, you look nice today. Today. Baby, you look nice today. I said, oh, you shooting on my yamalana. Hi, whoa. It's me now. You look nice today. Ha, say again, what's in your child?
No, man.
Wow.
And then because of people they don't understand. But it is one way. It's a phrase or idiom, and do not put the cart before the horse. That's totally wrong. That means
from a decent man.
Because that means understanding. Yeah. Is always will be having a wrong answer all the time.
Exactly. So Zakile,
Yes.
happy, when I'm a artist no maskand, you flow, my brother, and I love it.
Thank you.
In Chelabuti, Noma City, Vala Pela. I don't know how many times that book is like. I'm supposed to go back on stage and introduce an artist. I'm here in Belgium.
Angmas.
Being because like there was an artist on stage and the minute should say now fierce activity.
So I wanted to do the interview. Magapume stage, just in the stage.
That wasn't possible, my brother, because it couldn't sing already. The one we did was proper.
But you guys said there's a noise cancellation. Because there's one, look, you saw come up in when there was noise.
No, it was because I wasn't wish. Then I went at the stage, you come to Fushas.
Yeah.
Yeah, back over the chaos. I'm not talking about noise. Back over the chaos. But see, the moment you were speaking, Yenzega go from moon where which was busy interviewing, but when's the video? When's the interview? And I only watch it. I Thomas and why you busy? Come on, yeah, come on.
The Igbo now, the party. Yeah. Oh, hi, Mr. S. That's what I remember. I interview. Guzan. I interview Guzan. Call him to a message. Now, what's something?
So
that's why you got separate. Welcome, church. So inquire when Sakila. Hey, Sakila, but has no mean to be innocent. Ugly deal. Who's wrong? Sakila, why are you being rough? Who's wrong? Yeah, that's his problem.
Guys, Maskand is nice. You should listen to Maskand. It's very proper.
Okay, before can I catch up on Kacheni?
Yeah, I want to catch up there.
Fucking 3 hours is enough. 3 hours. I was like, oh, Maskand, oh, God. Oh, Maskand, and it was a pongolas, and King of Fun. It's a vibe. The whole fucking night until the morning.
It's exactly. What I show Utunsi, and now Utunsi. Maskandi as Naming Water.
Finally, piano, I'm a piano.
Yes,
I'm a little 5 hours.
There's a common better economy. Maskandi was in
I had to
It's a
drink.
terrible better into the nation. No, they lazy gomas, all Maskand, Soul Brothers.
Definitely. When we
I'm
are.
a caretaker, man. Yeah, follow me, baby.
Yeah, I'm back to the right hand. We have to put your
Hey, being a son is all brothers. Cost lady. That's my cost lady. That's my cost lady. Mnikeze imaki
Awukuhle
mshini.
ka right ecedile ukukhuluma.
Hayi mnikeze imaki uzophinda akhulume futhi.
Sibambile.
Nathi sikhuluma la kabamba kanjani mshini okhuluma athi.
Yeah. Musokufila apha, awufila apha vele anti kuminthi sekayithuka. Awufila apha.
Wena u-active kakhulu.
Sukuma, yabona
Wena kade boshaya ekuseni ushaye emini. Wena boshaya ekuseni ushaye emini.
Unaso stamina, eh?
Yeah. Energy ngingakho.
Yeah, stamina. Boy star wena.
Stamina.
And the way you look ngakhona fine now. The way you look
Man, man, yabona.
Stabani.
Hayi. Uthona ngizwe wena.
Ngisho stabani.
Tayena. Yebo. Yabona lento leyo ukuthi abantu abangaphuza utshwala bayinkingi. Machine proved it for me. I always said, I swear.
Yeah, because une energy
Yeah,
wena.
ufocus endaweni ebheda.
Uthi bangahle nabantu abaphuza utshwala babuka ibunu.
Thina stakiwe yena
Uyastakiwe yena ubuka okunye.
Uma selaphi mshini. Uyamazi
Uyamazi uqala wathi ulungile. Umangathi ukhaselaphi.
Mina ngibona bakathi uhlala lapho usithatha sabona labantu zokuyibo.
Yeah.
Knows it.
Kodwa kabuki ibuni ngibona nje.
Eba players, unawari. This is how we start because you need to break the ice,
Yeah, senkuluma ndaba lelo utshwala ukuthi abantu abaningi especially abasemasontweni bathi umuntu otshwala abantu abaphuza utshwala are very much intelligent.
Exactly.
Kundlula umuntu esontweni. Umuntu esontweni a frustrated person. Ongazi ukuthi uqanje uzoze ujesa abuye azomsiza because he don't want to address his or her problem.
Exactly.
And that's why amasonto alibuleliswe.
Sakilo yezo.
And afakwa abafundisi
Yezo.
bahamba bakhuluma lapha emasontweni batshela abafazi babantu ukuthi usalikho. Wathi where ubuyaphi umfundisi? How is all siya.
Ushisele lindo umnikelo.
Ushe umuntu ulinde
Isela.
imali yendoda ayikhuthuza umfazi yonikeza indoda engafuni ukusebenza. Yambi khuluma inonsense. Yabuya umfazi lapha esontweni.
Uzotshela mina.
Let me give this scenario.
Yes.
Yabona umfundisi yashumayela lapha esontweni. Yazi uthini? Uthi bazalwane benkosi umama wehamba nomntwana bandlula ngasebhareni. Umntwana uyabuza ukuthi yini lapho kunokusa njengobaba. Lo mfazi ulalele lapha esontweni. Uyongithola mina ekhaya ngihlele ekhaya ngiwangindawo nalesonto. Afika umfazi ayishumayele umfundisi namhla mhlawumbe emsontweni shumayele. Hawu mama ushumayele wathi hayi cha ushumayele. Oh utheni mama ushumayele ushayile. Vele ngisho lo mabhiya amabili la phansi kwami ngiyaphuza.
Yeah.
Ngiseyada hey mama nguyekele ngalento yakho. Ya yibo lo tshwana beshubayela ngabo. Asaqhumini impama ihamba nogesi. Hayi.
Sponsorishwa Eskom.
Yebo.
Yes.
Hamba nogesi sponsorishwa Eskom.
Ngelaphi utshwala lapho.
Ungenaphi?
Abasashaya.
Bona lela sonto ngotshela mina leyo nto.
But ikhona lesonto leli I think belithanda ku TikTok or Facebook.
Back in the days.
Even
La kuzo khona.
yeah, lakuphuzwa khona. Was it back in the days or sayibuyile lento ukuthi kunalesonto la kuphuzwa khona?
You know.
Ya bavula manje.
Yeah.
Lilike le.
Ikhabula church.
Oh
No.
yes, Ikhabula
Ikhabula
Church.
Church.
Would you go
What?
to that one?
Yeah. And then indaba le yamasonto le. Into engekho le. To just they was just here to colonize a black person emqondweni wakhe. Baba bafaka indoctrination. And abantu uthi nje uyakhuluma nje athi hayi mina ukhona uJesu uzongisiza noNkulunkulu. There's no way to uNkulunkulu. That is the wrong pronunciation. Omkhulu, generation to generation.
Ancestors.
Indaba
Ancestors.
yamasonto sachaphazwa belungu. Because la maBhayibheli afike nabelungu.
Lalela.
bo-Abrahama belungu bobana belungu
Akekho umandla
and bona
eBhayibhelini.
ngama-Easter thina sesontweni bona ngama-Easter bayahamba bayovakasha uyabo ukuthi basibhabhilele basimosha umqondo wethu nje.
And ulalele lapha.
And uNkulunkulu undla
Not
ngamandla.
uNkulunkulu. Mkhulu.
Ngisho umkhulu undla
You are
ngamandla.
not uNkulunkulu, it's a wrong pronunciation. And about everybody ukhuluma uNkulunkulu. And then I can even ask you just one question here. Kuthi yini isonto ngesingisi?
It's a church.
Yebo? You're wrong.
But
Sonto ngesingisi Sunday. Very simple thing. It's the first day of the week.
you are being technical now.
No, not technical. No.
Mana pinda.
No,
Kuyasonto.
No, but wait,
It's very indoctrinated.
We are talking about a church.
Then you have been bamboozled here.
Uzahamba yoshona eBloemfontein ngenxa yenkonzo lo.
We can go and Google it. What is Sonto?
It's a Sunday, like you said.
Sunday, not a church.
First day
No, but
of
we're
the
talking
week.
about church. That's why I'm saying you're being technical. Because we're talking about
No, not
church.
technically. And that is you are getting not percent out of 100.
There's
No, it's
an
percent.
institution, which is the church.
No, we know what is the church is.
What is the church?
What is the duty of the church?
The duty of the church is for people to go there and worship God.
No, that is a plenary institution for people to address some izinto zabo ezibahluphayo, not to talk about Jesus, Peter, and all those things. It's totally wrong.
Benza na ndesontweni.
This is the point.
No. Make me
Wait,
not miss the point.
Listen, the first day of the week,
We
Sunday.
the Sunday, is song.
Yes.
When people meet, they must then discuss the issues. Young King, don't you
You
just
call it a
Sunday.
congregation.
To catch up a congregation. Issues.
So that's when they discuss issues.
Yeah.
Then you discuss
We
issues.
can't-
Ahlupha abantu.
We can't be telling you and you're busy interrupting us here because of that indoctrination in your church shit. Ngithi uthi baba Vilakazi, first day of the week,
It's Sunday.
you must digress.
I am not disputing that.
Yeah, listen, before, like, if I say something and you say something,
But,
you are disputing.
Yeah, but
No.
That's a dispute, my bro.
No, it's not.
It doesn't
I'm
matter if you
agreeing.
agree or not, but if I say something and you say something,
Yeah, you must withdraw your statement.
withdraw your statement.
And then it's totally irrelevant.
Yeah.
Because you don't have the definition of what is
Sonto is.
Sonto is.
Yeah. We're standing on business out here. You don't know.
Let's move on. We're done.
We're not moving on. You must admit you don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know. Let's move on.
No, we are not moving on. After you don't know, we must then teach you.
But you just taught me, and I accept the teaching.
What is it?
No, we're done with this topic.
No.
Why are we dwelling
As
on
a
one
teacher, you teach and then revise and make sure that your students understand. We just taught you something. What did we teach you?
It's okay. You
It's
taught
not.
me something.
It's not
No,
okay.
it is okay for me.
You just love church. Fill up Bab Vilakazi because he's teaching this name.
No.
Like this shit.
Yeah, well,
Love it for me.
that's a very, very big problem regarding especially the black person in South Africa. They're just misinterpreting the wedding.
Yes.
Because they don't know even the religion and the culture what is. They just mixed up these things and make these things up around. I-culture yomuntu omnyama odalelwa yona cannot change there. That's why uJesu lo okhona, I don't believe ukhona lo muntu. Ukhohlisa abantu kakhulu isigebengu lesi ngiyasazi ukuthi why isigebengu sehooligan.
Yeah.
He's a hooligan.
Yeah.
I agree. Jesus is a hooligan.
You know what? And Dr. one example thing, and then you can go and ask Rebecca Malope, a gospel singer.
Sebastian talks about Vilakazi.
And then he sing the song in Israel. And that song like Jesua, and then as I played 5 minutes. And the tour was cancelled. But here we are singing rubbish. they can go.
Where was she?
Not yet.
Where was she?
In Israel.
Oh, Rebecca Malopa went to Israel.
Yeah, you know. Go. The tour was
Yeah, but at the same time,
don't talk about Jesus in Israel. Never talk about these things. You know, in the Israeli, apartheid, Israelist.
Don't. Mine is fine. Put Coke.
This is too much.
Yeah, it's not. I drink alcohol. Fuck Coke, fuck Red Bull, fuck my ice.
Yeah, you want
Who
to.
make him?
I know, I'm alright.
Yeah. Nigga, just fill me up, my nigga. Don't be selfish. You wanna pack, ne? You wanna pack as when's the last time? Last time we were
Asika ama-politics, asika ama-politics.
awume imangixoxela umuntu omdala uzobe seyasiyala nje ngabantwana uthule. Hawu.
Awubhoyi nyamuhla.
Yeah.
Pheki vele wena uphuza.
Ngumshini lo mfowethu.
Oh, umshini.
Yeah, ngumshini lo nanga pack. But yazi wenzani pack? Pack waqale waphuza la NPM. Sathola ipolelo lesithu uKim Superstar.
Is that episode out?
It's not. We went to Tembelisha to collect videos, but you guys were busy. When did we go?
Friday.
Friday.
I told him.
You guys were busy, so we
Yeah,
couldn't get the videos. This nigga, we are talking about the big affair. Ne, Magda de la ultimate and pang. You wanna respond?
Oh yeah.
Okay, wait. If you respond, we'll then go into details on what happened after.
The
Respond
politics.
carefully.
Respond.
My nigga, I will not politics next.
No,
Post trial.
we're not victimized.
Yes.
It's a question and answer.
I know for a fact the issue. I'm gonna stand by it and demand it.
Stand on business, my nigga. Hey, go.
Even Mr. S himself did.
Go.
When on that day you drank too much, you became an ass. You became an ass to me.
No.
I was trying to say, we don't with the full short.
Yeah.
Am I right?
What was
Is that because of that?
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
not because you were too drunk.
Yes.
Oh.
Not because you said before we
Even
sober.
like after me.
Ha!
When in charge of everything, I must tell what you mean. So I should tell you,
Okay. Let's go back.
yes,
Let's go
yes.
back. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to why I was. Why? Wait. The reason why I was in charge. What you said everything.
I remember very well. After that, because you gave me the
Permission.
the permission was in be free. Now I was free now in my track. And the other thing is sharing one. Don't lie, my friend.
Who told you? Who and it's you and who?
Umgani wakho.
Monday.
No,
Call himself.
Yes.
Okay.
Nalo umngani lo bese ngithatha lapha yana. Yo,
Movement.
angazi bathola kanjani ngilifihlile.
Oh. So uvalela mina ngaphandle wena.
Ngilifihlile. Wafika wena nawe
Azange ngiphuze.
Esimkhumbuza. Ngakunikeza wangena nalo inside, khetha umjoshile. Wangena inside, lahlala kini inside. Ngahlala isikhathi ngathi mina ngathi asingesithenge ngelanda wena. Mase ngelanda selikini lapha etafuleni. Hayi bese lingibekele sengaka. Ani mina ngicela ukubeke lami ke le. Awakwalwa wena. Akusake ikani ke mina. Uma ngabale kana.
Yes. Yeah.
Ngibala kanalo ke ngale abageni bazile. Ufika lo uzokuphuka ibhodlela phupho. Sasiyalo baba ngibazile yazile ibhodlela kanani.
Isho ukuthi ngakuthola
angazi
ngakuthola
angazi
ukudla kwaseGhana ufihliwe wakuthola wadla ukudla kwaseGhana hayi Nigeria
Nigeria, man.
hey yo into yaziyo nje ukumithisa
Yazi akekho umuntu ophethe kahle nje ngasakhe. Sakhile yazi sithi ngimazi nje hayi.
Oh, wait.
Shame.
We are massive during your presence.
Yes.
I amosangekho nawo.
Exactly. Shoot uyakuhlonipha. Uyakuhlonipha Sakhile.
Uyangihlonipha.
Yeah. So awunayo right yokukhuluma ngayo ngoba uyakuhlonipha.
Kodwa ngiyambona ngithi
Yabona umuntu ongakuhloniphi nguye uzothi. Back to what Beck was saying. I didn't know ukuthi lapho uzoba important.
abafana mshini nje niyamsukela nje ukuthi yazi mshini nje ukuthi sona abantwana bayithuka ngapha
Siyamsukela.
mshini usile yazi
Siyaqhubeka.
Oh. Hello. Ngabosha mina.
Ubuka ama-lights.
Ngabosha mina.
Wawuboshelani?
The next episode it's gonna be about me. The reason being angithi manje nangu umkhona azokhipha izindaba. Salamaphoyisa akhohlakele.
Ushuba ngakwazi sonke lesi.
So right now ngiyaqosa ngale back.
Ibeke phansi.
They don't pay us. They don't pay us.
I stayed in jail for a year for it was fraudulent.
What
do you call it?
Save that content.
Unlawful arrest.
Unlawful arrest.
No, you're wasting content for your episode.
We need that.
I'm coming.
Yes.
Yes, Umkhona.
And they're gonna know me because bangophendle ngekho.
Hey. Oh.
That was painful.
Yeah.
You
Then,
fly on your
listen,
episode.
we're not going anywhere. Listen, when we're after this master teller, we are moving everything to the computer. Charge about batteries and shoot an amount if you want that to happen. Oh, no.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm prepared.
We're saving in the process.
Ushilo ubuzile masashuthi wathi sengiqalile ngifuna nje ukuvela.
But I didn't Sakhile ngizwana ngoba ngithanda ukulwa. Emshini. Sakhile. Angisiye indaba yaSakhile. Yabo nje yongitshela ukuthi awumazi.
But-ke umuntu mayengibhedela kenze njani ke?
Cabanga mfethu sesiqala ukuzwana nabantu besixabana nabo. Ebafika Sakhile.
waqala phansi
Bamphusha kazo. Wathi ungiphushela kanje. I said some kind of no land. Uyangiphusha. Lapho ngavele nathi seshubile ke. Anasi saqala phansi akhumbula vele usijwayele kabi.
Who was the pusher?
Yeah, why you push Sakhile wena?
Who was the pusher?
babethanda ukuvuka
Uthi hayi nini wena wayiphusha Sakhile wena? Saqala kusha ke manje anti uqabane nathi saxolelana. So uqala kusha manje.
Right.
Uphushelani Sakhile? Savele salani nomkhonkosi, shout out to Mkhonkosi security. You guys are the best. I always put you on.
All right.
Let's go. Let's asgumgele manje. My question is, who are you? Ungubani?
Igama lami
The one from Egypt.
Camela. Well, no. Mafuna uMandla Nkosi Kenneth Mlase ngimthole.
Yeah.
But if we can go to Posa lezi zinto lezi zila uthi ufuna Camela, I'm well known.
Yes.
I'm popular. Yeah. Those people who want to undermine me and my integrity.
Okay.
They said what was giving so we came so bad.
Yeah.
And I shall know that those people who are the hooligans and intake correctional service.
And you're out here.
And then I'm not here. I'm dealing with something of which is the underground
Okay.
system. Actually, I was supposed to be a scientist.
All right.
I passed my matriculation course in
19 when?
1978
Oh, okay.
I don't. You were not born.
Yeah, I know.
in Fried State High School. And all
Oh,
about.
that's why it's so naughty. Where state? Fried State.
Oh, you know, that's
Yeah, that's a naughty school. That
No,
that one. It's a stout school.
those people.
As not fish, but it's not fish. It's stout school. Let's say it's stout school. We know if Fried State is stout school. If I was stout, it's a Fried. Mawuthi nje boyinkinga nje ekhaya bebakumisa e-Fred States.
No, states.
Ngina ma
That this shit is a state from JC.
mana bavulakazi ngina manga ukuthi mawuthi bowustot boyiswe e-Fred States.
Yeah, passing in first class.
No.
Again, ask everybody. Oh, Chile, Malinga,
Yes,
yeah, from there to Busan.
Musifaka abanye abantu mina ngikuwe ngithi ngina manga yini ukuthi ekhaya bebathi makumisa e-Fred State ngoba ustot.
No, not stupid. No, what I was admission, I applied myself. Ubaba, Baba, I've been admitted to this school.
Also, your dad didn't know that you were accepted.
Yeah?
You told your father what you've been accepted
Subject to Flight State to high school.
without him.
No, yeah, I was making the application while I'm doing the JC.
Where?
Junior certificate.
How old were you? How old you? Applying for yourself state.
I was 17 years old. I would not say I was 15 years old.
You applying for yourself at the age of 15.
Yes.
Sounds like
I was doing junior certificate in high school. There was no high school by then.
What was it called?
Yeah, uyabona umuntu ongabazi utshwala le gwini nje osenzela lona.
Maybe zona nawo mesakhile na igwebu lakho namshini man.
Endlela ngisuke mina 15 years. Endlela ngaye Friday State High School.
Kanti yanini indlela?
Indlela
Indlela yakudala. Engathi matric.
No.
Yeah, I know it's old. How old is it?
What?
Older than you.
Obviously. How old is it?
awuvele baphamela indlela yanini vele
Yeah, yakudala indlela ikhona. Besafundela
bazokhumbula
Alliance.
esikolweni
Alliance.
esontweni
Yes, yes.
esontweni Luteri
Luteri naseJash.
Yangena eqhubekani yasuke eqhubekani sikhamba kwethu senze complete JC. Yahambe yongena lapha enakule sikolo la ikhona khona indlela manje.
Isuke kuphi indlela before you lapha in 2000? Beku.
Isuke lapha eqhubekani. Endlela la sinesikolo khona.
Yes.
Thina exam sayibhadala yaka JC iqala ivulwa indlela sayibhadala lapha.
Wow. JC.
Junior
Junior
certificate.
certificate.
No.
wena socabanga iJC leyiphuzwayo
JC Leroux.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
you,
In my mind.
Social higher grades.
At the same time, I'm able to heal it.
Nami ngicabange lezi.
Oh, it's junior certificate.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. No.
Nami
As I'm able to change. I know. So as for you, seem like it's have a booze.
into eyenza ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi manje le JC hayi i-junior certificate
Yeah.
ngicabanga ukuthi hayi khamela i-JC akayazi
Manje azodlala.
So you matriculated, did you go to varsity? Or what now, grade 12?
The university ngene sengisebenza almost as a branch manager. Wesley University and plus Wits University and UNISA. And ngenza izifundo ze-law ifundiswa ama-companies.
Okay. So what's your current qualification?
Solicitor.
Like you second frame.
kancane uyavela
Ndiqala uyibona. Uthe uzodlula vele. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Do you know what is a solicitor is?
No, I don't.
A what?
Solicitor.
A solicitor. All right. No, we don't know.
Solicitor.
Okay,
What's
that?
A solicitor.
Umuntu ofunde kudlula ama-advocate abameli akangeni ecourt.
That's you.
That's me. I instruct abameli ukuthi they must do and how to approach this type of the case in this case.
So currently, what do you do? Because I know you doing text things. Now you're saying you
No,
did
I've
law.
got a lot
Can
of-
I answer? Can I be reckless? He does whatever he wants.
Lengwazi, I'm independent.
He does whatever he wants.
Okay.
That's my reckless answer.
So
Alright.
she's not reckless because she don't know.
It's true.
Yeah.
I'm saying that it's my truth.
You want just
When I'm saying I'm being reckless, that's my truth. As a
No, no.
solicitor, you must understand it early.
yeah, that is
Early,
No,
that's
what you think you can.
yes, exactly. Whatever is possible.
There you think, but you have to be corrected.
Exactly. Oh wow.
Fakela inini.
If
Bakufakile la inini wena. Phela kwangena. Usazophinda umithise ngiyakubona nje emehlweni. Cala uphuze.
and so
Cala umuntu unenkinga akasolo ngaphuzi.
Salaphuza manje.
Saluphuza manje msheni.
Salaphuza
all
manje.
right.
Mina ngakuthengela msheni.
Can
Yazi izolo Shem.
Ngoba le coke ayikho right.
Izolo ucishe wayichamela wayihubhela ubona ngumama wakhe uphethe neplastic lotshwala bami. Yo. Wathwala izandla ekhanda wathi sengiyayisola nje bekuphucela lotshwala ye wachaza ngifole seguqama ecabanga lapha. Achazi.
Oh, pensita.
Besata wasuke Pick and Pay.
Uhamba
La
nje.
insurance yase Pick and Pay zansi nje wase KFC.
Apha.
Nanti already liyavela kuba utshwala. Ha.
Uhamba nami kanje. Nami mangololedi ke yo. Nami yedidekele. Uyawakhomba. Wangikhomba azolenda kuseke ngibuke ngenye indlela ngiyasho hayi ngisakhabe.
Awu ngaye bayazi ukuthi.
all right. To these things.
Yeah, let's go.
Ngiyabona nabo
I'm
baya
very happy to be with you today.
uyaphuza ngamangqondo.
Yes, regarding all the issues around us here and around the world,
Yeah.
especially what we have to address about our own problems that we call
Hometown.
hometown.
Yeah.
Of which la imkhondo izinto zethu azange iphatheke kahle.
Zisengaphathekanga. Ayisoze futhi
Ya namanje no zizophatheka kahle.
kanjani.
All right, what are the mechanisms?
Let's go. Let's hear it.
Can I narrate the story?
Let's go. From now on, we're keeping quiet. We're listening to you.
Before we listen to you, you had aspirations of becoming a man. Those
I was
aspirations-
supposed to be a mayor long time ago.
Back in the days.
Back in
Before you became Keza Mtaung.
Long time ago.
He was once Keza Mtaung.
I was betrayed
by who?
You remember?
by the people of, especially the former mayor. Betrayed me.
Which former man?
I don't
No
know.
names,
to
no
speak.
names,
It's
no
a
names.
former mayor. If you don't know the former mayor,
We're not
go
talking
and-
about the one that was there for 2 weeks. We're not talking. That's not the former mayor. He wasn't even a mayor. That one was not even a mayor. We're not talking about that one. No. When we say former, we're not talking about the 2 weeks nigga.
I know afika
No, the former is
No, we're talking about who was really, who was
former, the
really,
first one in 1994.
yes.
And then
The G.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The one I was starting this program. Now
The G. The G.
you know what it is.
You know what I mean when I say the G?
That for me,
When I say he's the G,
yes.
you understand what I'm saying?
I know, I understand that.
Oh, let's go, let's go.
This
Right.
disclaimer, it's their opinion.
It's not my opinion.
It's your opinion.
No, it's facts, facts.
No, it's a direct fact. It's a direct fact.
It's their facts.
No, it's not a fact. It's undebated. These things. There's no argument, you know what?
Okay, so that former mayor betrayed you.
But
No.
yakhumbula khathi size sinaphuzana sisho ukuthi yazi kahle yakhe manje kufanele kube ngumeya.
Oh, vele nani mfuna kwa.
Hayi besikufuna vele ukuthi abe umeya. Yakhumbula besibamba ikhokasi lapha yala.
At the same time,
Not the former mayor, I don't to be mayor and then go to parliament. The first administrative this things, parliamentary, number Monday, and then he refrained me. And in 1994, all these councillors, benzenjani, bachitha bonke labantu by committee of 13 yathi
Mana ke babuyazi. So you're saying like in my mind, what rings ukuthi you should be in parliament now.
No.
If ever kuhambe ngendlela right.
If you are not betrayed.
Yes, if you're not betrayed, you'll be in parliament. But my question is, bonke kutshontshe in 2 billion.
Ubuke kuyebe le mali.
Cha, no, angithi.
Okay, khona bazosicapuna.
Khona usathane.
Bangisibanjwe ngabantu.
Oh, usathane bawuzofika.
Cha, ngithi bakufika usathane kimi bengizokwenza.
Okay.
Bafika Sathane.
That's you being honest. I
I
love
want
that.
to be honest.
Yeah, I love that. I
Kube
love that.
uzongivakashela
Awusathanda
usathane.
uyafikelana noma ngibani.
Yeah, and Saturday
No.
we feel every day sometimes.
Sathane uvakashela bonke abantu.
Yes, it's a
Yeah, angifuni ukuhamba amanga.
Yes, mina
Sibanyoni.
Sibanyoni noma kancane.
Sibanyoni.
At the same time,
Kulife la.
at the same time, bengifisa ngabe besithandaza usathane. Probably papa wena ufuna usathane mfethu ukhona every day. Ukhona fanele uzithandaza. Fanele ungenzi lutho. Usathane mfethu comes through for you. Do one wrong thing, he's there.
Ayinuza ngamandla.
He
Yeah.
comes with power.
Nepower
Like usathane mfethu should be our God. I'm sure uNkulunkulu is a Peter X.
Kodwa, all right. Let us go out in the Sathane.
Yeah.
Let's go Devil.
Usathane Devil is the one thing.
No, Sathane is Nkanyezi. SUTURN. Nkanyezi.
The planet.
It's a planet.
All right.
So Sathane, they are misinterpreting all these things.
Yeah, but we're talking about the devil of Vilakazi.
Yeah, ngithi cha uma
Don't be too
ungifikele
technical.
uDelveli namanje uyakwenza ukuthi uhambe ulale nomfazi womuntu umazi ukuthi umfazi wasibili nithi lo Sathane uDelveli uvashela abantu uyalingeka wenze into you are not supposed to do it uthosokwenza
Yazi ukuthi mina issue yami kubavulazi ngixoxele. Mina I have an issue with usiko nenkolo yethu as black people because I revise. Ukuthi kubuke ukuthi njengokuthi ungancumi inzipho ebumnyameni. Ngithola or ungancumi inzipho ekitchen. Yabo all the superstitions that we have. Dialogue is bongekho. So vele ukunquma inzipho ebumnyameni was a danger. Manje I mean ebusuku bathi wanquma inzipho ebusuku because bekana case.
Okay.
Manje ukhona case I can use my clippers and clip myself ukraine. So it's just a nail, it's a body part I can remove it any time of the day. Nenwele ungakunda ebusuku. Bekana case vele so ebusuku mawukunda bowungalimala. We must revise these things. We must revise our own. Man,
Okay.
I'm cooking something. Before you have something to say, can I finish?
Revise this one again. Phela ngithi uyakwazi uyarevise manje. Nine. Maphumule tswaye ebusuku. Revise that one.
Yeah, that's you. You will revise it. I mean, I'm talking. There's things I want to talk about.
Who told you that?
Who told you that? Utswaye is just a product from the sea.
Who told
You can move however you want.
I know. Wait, you don't know the what's tswaye ebusuku.
I don't.
No, we don't.
Why?
Why?
Whoa.
Tell us why. Why did they say don't do a What did they tell you? Tell us. Why did they say Mapomnalo?
All right.
No, this is not. Bambi, numbers.
Yabona our black people especially underline the word in red pen in South Africa.
And the language word? Red pen.
With the red pen.
Underline it with the red pen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Those people have been bamboozled.
Bamboozled.
Bamboozled, meaning that you are indoctrinated to believe something which does not exist.
Exactly.
uyokholwa ukuthi nje uJesu sebafa labantu uJesu yes. There's nothing like Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ is somebody who's a hooligan. And I'll ask you what case nini lapha nje no.
Sakile, focus, please. Leave the other niggas.
No. You're talking something I don't agree with. So
Yeah, then focus.
Oh,
Now I'm talking Jesus.
Why are Christ?
No.
No,
You can't.
no,
be-
no.
There's
No,
things that
listen.
There's what?
Okay,
You must be the good listener so that you become a good speaker.
I'm listening.
Oh, that's a paro. Oh, that's a paro. Yo, that's a
Carry
paro.
on.
Damn. You must be a what?
Let's carry
You
on.
must be a good
Yeah,
listener
so
so that
man,
I'll leave njalo phela masiloku si-focus.
You leave?
Yeah, maso sikhuluma into
ucasule indaba kaJesu.
No, ngicaswele.
Why you
Ishilo, I'm listening. So
And
why
I told you about the word proposal, meaning that you believe something of which does not exist.
Yeah, you, not me. Don't
You also
No,
believe.
Don't
No, I
impose
cannot
your
change
opinions
your
on me.
No. You don't know what is the debate is.
You're not debating here.
Not
That is the master of debate now. People professional now. The master of debates.
We're not debating.
He's the master of debate.
Yeah.
that's why. Right now it's being emotional.
No, I'm
Just
not being
because
emotional,
it's,
but you can't talk
you
bullshit
do,
and then I agree.
it's
with
not
you.
bullshit.
It is
We are
bullshit.
debating.
It is bullshit.
We're debating.
It's a bullshit.
Debating
What
with
is your
Jesus
thought?
Christ.
It
Don't
is
believe.
bullshit.
Don't
It's
believe.
debatable.
You can't impose your opinions on
We
me.
are not imposing. It's
Do not do
debatable.
that.
Wait, Sakile.
No. Let's have a conversation, but
debatable.
don't impose your opinions
Whom
on
we are
me.
representing right now here.
Yeah, you.
I'm
Because of
representing
putting the
myself.
statement.
You are presenting Jesus Christ.
We're not talking about Jesus Christ.
We're talking about Jesus Christ.
Or you are talking about Jesus
Yeah,
Christ.
yeah, well-
I'm not part of that discussion then.
But no, we are inviting
Alright.
you.
No, I'm this.
If you're right.
Invitation to guys. Invitation to guys.
Just keep quiet because you do not know.
Yeah.
Do
That's
not,
why I'm quiet, because I
do
don't know.
not.
He knows. It's just
If
just
you know.
emotional about Jesus.
No, I'm not emotional.
All right, give
But
us.
I'm not going to be party
a
to
new.
bullshit.
To
That's what
bullshit.
That's what I'm
Oh,
saying.
so what you are imposing your opinion on us.
No, I'm not.
So what
You
we are
said
saying
I
is
must
bullshit.
Focus to your bullshit, and I'm not focusing on your bullshit.
Fine. What we are saying is bullshit.
If I can move on?
No, we need to understand you, and we're
Let us,
not saying.
Let's clarify.
Clarify what you're saying.
Clarify.
What we are saying is bullshit.
Clarify and simplify.
Yeah, it is bullshit. At the highest
That
level.
is not an
Yeah,
answer.
Jesus is bullshit.
Okay.
We're saying that is our answer because you're failing to clarify.
Okay. Let's move on.
See what I do.
All right? The next steps are
We are not hearing.
regarding this issue. Black person in South Africa.
Kazoka le making phela wena. Hayi.
They distance themselves from
Babulekazi,
their culture.
umshini wakhala wathi sedirail. Let's go back to you being betrayed on becoming the mayor of this town.
Okay, that was just simple stuff.
Yeah. Let's go back to the story. I want the story.
When they betray me,
Because man says sakit.
they're very simple. No, because you know,
Carry on with your story, Vladas. Stop talking about me. Why were you supposed to talk about something that we hear from us? We are of rap of better than you.
He's deployed this one. I can tell.
You are wasting
Hey,
memory.
I feel like Mtomdala. Why almost Mtomdala? Fill up.
Let's cook. That's why
Yeah, fill up with coke. But
No, that's why I offer empire, because you keep
all right,
up.
all right.
I a kill him
Whoa, let's carry
No,
on.
do not be
We've spent
emotional.
an hour here and
No.
we haven't even gotten into
All right. No.
the crux of the
nitty-gritties.
matter. Like, really, I want to spend 2 hours. Sikhulume siphinde come on.
Spent an hour already.
It's been
No.
an hour.
Feels like 2 minutes to me.
Okay, asibuyele kule ndaba
Yeah.
yebetray.
Sharp. You were
All right.
betrayed.
And the color way foundation, I was not interested actually.
Okay.
And then bafika abantu be-committee of 13 kuthiwa you pay the rent as pay as you earn.
It's pay as you earn.
And then we'll go to Bloemfontein, and then we're funding. Community asahlangene ngaleso sikhathi.
Okay.
Waye Bloemfontein mankanyana uzimande wathatha ibhasi wafaka abantu wathi nje bafaka upetrol ayibhatara.
Ibhasi ngamaphenya.
Yebo wathikela izinkwa namafishi badla endleleni. Bazofika eBloemfontein and then
Bebadla izinkwa.
yeah. No, isinkwa sesikhulu ngaleso sikhathi. Namafishi.
Obewente serious.
Siphuma lapha into serious. Iphezulu. Baye eBloemfontein.
Why Bloemfontein?
Yeah, ngisho sase
Ngokomthetho sisekelo.
yaphile iCommittee of 13. Ayengekho umthetho sisekelo into yamabhunu by then.
So bekiwa eBloemfontein if ever you
Yeah,
wanna
so
pass.
aphila ku-Supreme Court yaseBloemfontein.
Supreme Court beseBloemfontein.
Yebo.
So you guys nangene ebhasini nadla izinkwa namafish.
Yeah, sashona eBloemfontein sizalukwazi ezasisapota lapha nabanye abantu, and then the leader of this campaign we Committee of 13. So fika sabuyina, and then the judge was Etting Handler.
Etting handler.
Yeah, Etting Handler. He pays and is not constituted or legislated.
Okay.
So I'm doing back with the stop paying rent. The first town in British.
The first time in Pumala.
In British, not in British man, the first town in South Africa. In South Africa.
To do what?
Ukuthi boycotting rent iwini i-rent ukuthi ngabhadala phezulu ye-rent ubahola 4,000 but imali yakho that thing was not legislated.
So Bloemfontein was the first one to say no.
Yeah, South Africa.
Okay.
They start after that i-rent boycott basabayenza eSoweto. Diabetes vele sesiright.
All right. So Mabayenza Soweto, Peter Cliff was the first one to do it.
Yeah, bafila. Wakusakhuluma akangekho ama-councillors ini wakusa-administrative.
All right.
Sebenza ama-administrative. La British Eastern Transvaal. Hola amabhunu.
During the apartheid.
Yeah, during the apartheid time.
Okay.
Sayiwina lento le. Emva kwaloko mayiwinile i-rent. Basuka ke labantu bangena i-civil organization bangena UDF.
Bandolo miss.
No UDF.
Oh.
UDF sasenza phansi kwe-umbrella UDF. ANC by then it was unbanned.
Sorry MK. Ngicela ukubuza yabo njenge-tag ne.
Where's the mic?
I-tag
Where's the mic?
is a registration it's a registration
But
Ngicela uthathe le mic. Let's say
no ngibuze.
Mshini.
Boy.
Hayi phakama umniki man.
because u-tag angithi u-tag njengoba u-tag yabo njengoba babukosi imoto zakhe zithi tag
Mshini.
because of it's
It's not gonna pick up.
No. That was a British THE.
Yeah,
That was THE.
Yeah, THE.
That conduct is British,
Yes.
not in court.
Not in condo, but say THE. Yes.
Yeah. Oh, immortal mkondo. They are not British, but it's what THE.
Yeah. That is why because I have really done. Phela yena i-registration yakhe njengoba athi ithi-tag nje uthe yena because of ubuyela kudala.
All right, let's finish this.
Really?
Yeah, because utag nje utag
Yeah,
nje
THE.
ngoba ma imishado wabo noma yini because of i-registration yala mkhondo yakudala.
No, all right, let's continue with these things. Maswida ke abelungu ba Eastern Transvaal kwakunakhona umlungu lapha oyi-administrator lamkhona banaboDumsane naboCinco.
Abocingo, yeah. sase-Europe laba kamasipala.
I can't see what you're talking about. It's okay.
Umcingo bambisana namabhunu nabo lo lento le uyinlele lapho grotto
Yeah, grotto okay.
wathatha imali yamasipalati lapha yana
Wakhiwe grotto.
ya no yathatha waneza lo muntu lo umayor lo former mayor wathi ayithatha mneza 100,000 number for the grotto 100,000 by then it was a lot of money.
It was equivalent
It's
to
a million.
Yeah, equivalent to a
Equivalent to a
million.
million.
Yeah, exactly.
Angishabona wayekele
So
ke
grotto nje indawo kancane.
ngoba ke lo ufuna ukuchasha labantu bakhe azokhona kweba imali
The G.
the former
The G.
yebo and kwenzakala ke zonke lezi abaloya-ke abantu babafakela lezi zinto lezi khona abantu ke sekuhamba-ke sekuthiwa imbizo kuhlatshwa iy'nkomo ley'nkomo lezi ziyathandazelwa kuney'nyanga nayo yonke le nto leyo hayi yayizwe yethu abantu bathi yakhuluma kuthiwe yebo noma kuroma kuthiwa nje 2+2 kuthiwe 5 kuthiwe yebo yabona manje asakhoni ke lapha
Sakile ubalekela.
asakhoni awusakhona ukungena-ke lapho angeke lo muntu enzile umsebenzi wakhe
Yeah.
mawungena nje ukubulela ngempela abantu lapho leso sikhathi uma fike nje wangena athi nje ukhamela sigebengu ukubulala abantu awuphinde ukhulume lapho
Man, bekuthandazela inkomo.
ubuza ke indebele sowashona umfundisi
Ayizwa kahle.
indebele yakuthi ngingcole kangaka mdebele umfundisi
Ayibo.
yeyizwa lento
Yeah.
lento lenkomo lesihamba siyihlabele siyihlaba khona kuba ney'nyanga lapha yena vuke badla abantu badla amathe ado umnumzana ngiyakutshela ma 2+2 12 athi yebo
Badla amathe amnumzana.
phela uthubela iy'nyanga zakhe lapha and then we will ask you one question.
What is the question?
The question is where
Ubuyanzi. Ubuya
he come from.
lo mkhuba wakhe okhisa abantu amathe uthatha. Ngiyathi ngiyibuze kanjani.
Oh lalela-ke lo umuntu amagebhile ngitshelile ngathi umntwana ongasahlala ekhaya webelala udla kakhulu nalaba angasibala ekhaya.
Ngicela iphindi. Angizwanga phela. Angizwanga. Uthi umntwana wenzeni?
Umntwana ongasiwa lakhaya we udla kakhulu uyabaqedela ukudla kwakhe.
Lo ongasiwa la.
Ongasiwa lakhaya ujahile
Uyazi ukuthi akanazi isikhathi.
akanamsebenzi ulangamsebenzi nalabantu mina I don't care. Yabo
Mana ngesimanje manje yaze isithinthi. Sithi intombi yakho angeke uyiphuthume ngalendlela ezophuthuma ngayo uma ukuthi ngiyayintshontsha mina.
no kubekisele ngesingisi lama Singisi is very clear. Singisi ithi fortunes favors the fools.
Isavele sabaclear.
Israel
Very clear.
fortunes favors the fools.
Yes.
Bese zaphinda futhi
Yeah, I would rather be a fool because I want fortune to favor me.
yeah, fools have to favor you. Bese kwala le ithi fate heart never won fair lady.
Fate had never won failure.
Fate heart never won fair lady.
Alright.
Do you understand what does that mean?
Yeah, I get you. Trust me.
Oh, abamnene bohlale ngaso sonke isikhathi baluza njengabantu bakithi balamkhondo. Sahamba khothamela abantu kanti they're fooling us and then we lose.
Ngizwa kahle.
Izwa.
Yes.
And then and then we fail. And then I'm talking to another gentleman, I want just to go out on these things.
Okay.
And la emkhondo besinabantu lapha izigana ezigcekezayo ibulala abantu kwangena lento angisho national kunale PKTT
And political task team.
their political killing tax
Yeah, yes.
la emkhondo bekune taxi protection tax team bayivala ukuthi
So,
abo
osomatekisi bebabulala ngemkhondo.
cha azababulale bebalungisa legebengu
Bebenzani bo osomatekisi bebalungisa igebengu kodwa bebabulala igebengu.
no batekisi bebadiscipline igebengu
Bezifine abayidiscipline.
bese ziyafa bese ziyafa
Abayidiscipline.
that was not it. That was not it.
Bayakhondango ibulala.
Yeah, no, what could wait?
Bezo ziyafa so.
Ngane nkani yabona zangankani
Yabo MK ngiyavuma yazi.
hey ngale nkani bebangayibula manje makhulwa nomuntu akuthatha ngizakwenza lo sebakhombene labantu
Yeah.
wafika ke lento yasenza umkhuna athi man bathi amaphoyisa babopha abantu thina samphatha angasukuma ukuthi lethe silekelele abantu bamateksi ababoshile
Oh.
angisho
Ayithola ke.
bayilungiswa le ndaba and then basazizwa legebengu ukuthi hayi labantu njalo epolitika basezabuyela lemuva nje lento yalapha PKTT bavala abantu bamatekisi abantu bebangena lapha yana babulawa bangena lapha emashele labantu laba badiscipline abantu bafaka emashele yabona lento ayisuki la isuka le national yabosenza omkhulu khulu nabo Ramaphosa
Ngithola
ngoba bavikele abantu babo
bakha.
yabona yagawa yabona nje bengena ama-hawks la ama-hawks aze khathi lo TT aseselapha kuthatha konke ama-dockets lapha kufika kuboshwa abantu fika ama-hawks la ama-hawks azoboshwa kubuyele kunzima wafika lapha abantu wakhipha 400,000 hey thatha imali engaka 400,000 nezela abantu bahambe lapha manje la ngisho yilambe zamaphoyisa
Banikeza ama-hawks.
baleza ama-hawks aphuma
Ama-hawks bewahluleka ukwenza umsebenzi wawo ngenxa banikeza
cha imali balambile bakwenziwa njalo uTT niyeza labantu 400,000 uphuma hambe basuke
Lama Hawks ebekuphi beyakadidini. Ebeyakadidini lama Hawks.
mara phela must be innovative lomqondo no angibuze into masomqamba amanga manje ngijabule ngineza ama highlights manje ufuna ukugubha manje kanti are the investigator
ama-hawks.
Sengiyathola.
Ufuna 400,000 wayena. Anthi ama-hawks babaneza 400K. Ama-hawks.
400,000 you know that yakhumbula imali zama-title deed ukuthi abantu izindlu fanele zithule labantu kunemali engaka-500,000 bayikhipha ngaleyo nto le abantu banama-title deed today
Ngiyakhumbula leso sikhathi.
yawazi
Harmony Park banawo yena ama-title deed.
and abanyezwa
Banawo
kuna-5
ama-title deed Harmony Park.
Amanipaka ama-title deed asengakalungile.
So bonke abantu abahlala eMpark abayi-own lezi ndlu.
Abanawo ama-title deed.
alright
Banawo.
Abanawo. Even
Abanawo?
Abanawo.
Harmony Park.
Ngabanipaka.
Kantombazane.
Hayi kantombazane
lalela baba no title deed ngenze estate administration
No, it's a problem. It's a serious
there's
problem.
nothing yazi what happened
But
Zaman.
let them ama-title deed
izadreseka
Labo ngeke bathole labo.
lalela izo-addresseka lento zokutholakala lezi because labantu abalapha amasipalati yabona that's why ifuna uvula i-Republic of Umkhonto kuzokhona i-nation address tomorrow ngo-7 and so alright izinto lezi zenzeka kanje-ke la Mkhonto ziyavalwa abantu bala Mkhonto abachashwa kuchashwa abantu abangaphandle bazokwazi banyeutralize utshenza ukuthi ngoba because umuntu wala Mkhonto
ngiyavuma wangapha
njengami athi I mina control mina
yes
mina I'm independent
this is your time yes.
academically knowledge ukuthi yonke lento lengeke umtshela umuntu engenza ukuthi
so lesithi kale
ngitshelo isiphuphu sasada 2 away ngabe hlula mina kanje and then so lento zala Mkhonto zibhedile that's why lento have to be formulated lento obonakele
manga yabo nje ngilalele ngikuzwa kunenkinga kune betrayal kuna yonke nje into ekhona ephethwe eMkhonto what is the best solution for this town yabo manje siyayiqoqa manje siyayiqeda le ndaba yethu mina ngifuna ungeze solution after you just gave me a solution siyayivala siyaquba nokuphuza siyaquba nempilo
it's very clean
ngicela nje i-solution ibe clear ibe clean ingabi personal ingabi biased ingabi i-campaign thizeni ingabi i-opinion ingabi ukuthi ngiqonde ebani kube nje uthi according to bavilakazi what is the clearest the most cleanest solution for
that is my thought
yes
lengicabangayo actually
your thought yes
proposal
let's go
lento bangalunga lento izo
angikuzwa kahle
njengebhola ngalungisa abanqoshe
mana yabona nje ufaka ibhola khona indaba engakhula ngiyazi before ungenze solution kunendaba amanye ngivimbi kunendaba engakhula ngiyazi kuthiwa wena bakuvilakazi kuthiwa wena wahamba waye-Driefontein mawufika e-Driefontein wabatshela angazi ngibani wabatshela kodwa umphathi e-Driefontein bowazi ukuthi khona uKaizer Motaung kwafika wena kuqiniso kangakanani lo
azange uyizwe kahle
hayi ngicela ukuthi man okay
iqiniso
ngicela uqala phansi
no ngiyasho
ngicela uqala phansi
ngizwile
ngathi uzwa ngombuzo wami ngathi uzwa
wangaseDriefontein
wakuphi
wasePhongolo
wayenza lento
lalela samba noDr Khumalo
kwathiwa
ekhumbi ishalo Dr Khumalo hleceleni fanele
Dr Khumalo 16V
16
Yeah, balefika kuye.
basiwele ePhongolo kusho abantu azangisho mina athi nami uDr Khumalo uhamba noKaizer Motaung
hey yazi ukuthi esakile
resemblance yodwa
ikhona so I grew up with this story like I never forgot the story ngakhule lethokozane kabo bavilakazi ekaibo mama kula kabo bavilakazi like one street just ngapha main road ihamba but ekaibo mama ngapha. So I remember I used to like by telling the story time I'm because when I grew up idolizing him about like the way imagine it so cool so he speaks his mind a lot when he's drunk but when I'm cool I mean okay he speaks his mind when he's in Mnandi yeah when he's in Mnandi yeah I'm just saying cool for to because he speaks his mind when he's in Mnandi yes but when he would speak his mind a lot when he was sober so I used to listen That's why I'm brilliant. Just that I don't know how to express
Yo, I
myself.
get you.
Okay, sharp. So I grew up ngisizwe le story sokuthi ubaba uVilakazi waya eDrewfontein.
No, iPhongodo.
Okay, that was Pongola. Now I know. Now I'm corrected. You know. What's your white Fontaine? Because stadium got your good.
No, he's saying yeah.
Ungizwa wena nabantwana wathi imithi samantombazane azange uzwe ukuthi imithi wamithisa ayikho into izwayo wena mshini ayikho into izwayo I'm cooking still. No, I grew up okay wait at the same time baflakazi ngikhule kwaze ukuthi ushaya and mina ngisumjita owazi ukama indlela right same time awathi ushaya washaya kanjani bengifisa ukwazi nami ngizowashaya hayi ngoba ngithi ushaya mina ngifuna ukubashaya makuthi uyakhona ukubashaya angifuna ukubashaya
Mina bangisukela abantu imali egcwele ikhikhile bangisukela ngifasudendle lapho.
So wait mana okay so on that day we are saying uhamba no 16V
bakunikeza imali in the name of
Kizza Mtawa.
Ngingena imali bese ngiyanga.
Hayi kodwa wena MK ayikho into wrong vele. Bajabulela bathi ungubani. Kumele uvume nje la.
Hayi sobona sisona.
Uchabona soko wena
Okay, wasuthini u16V mabathi
Wathulelwa ehlekela uDr Khumalo.
Okay. Azange ngitshela ukuthi thula one doctor otherwise
No. Saba i20 lapha yana ibhalwe iwisa Kaizer Chiefs. But I can't washo ikhulu lapha uKaizer bakhona.
was the C-class.
Yeah, the big class. Oh,
Big class.
I20 namanje, I20 is the level, bro.
That's nice.
It's the
Okay,
level.
let us round up the scene.
Yeah, Ziva.
That is my proposal.
Mangabe ufuna ukuba umuntu ufanele ube ushaye.
Yes, kodwa mana
uChrizani basitshela ukuthi stadium basibizele stadium bathi manje ke wasitshela ukuthi ubuya kaChrizani.
ngibalo.
Remember kuma ePT Twitch. Basibizele lapha ya stadium bathi ubuya kaChrizani.
Yeah.
Chrizani right.
Man, uthi hayi asimayini mshini. Uthi. What? Okay. I'll see ngakufaka.
Sase labo Stulihlezi. Nabo manje amakudilela. Estadium athi sobuya kaChrizani.
Hayi ngeke uSthulihlezi ayabakhulu uSthulihlezi.
Ngisho ukuthi uKidibheshu phela phela uKidibheshu ukuze aqale ukuba umfundisi ngithi waqala because of ngoba bethandazela
No,
abafundi.
ngicela Bangibethrayile already. Yebo. Bangifakela amaphoyisa ngifole. Hey, usembethrayiwe lapho.
Guys, to finish this off, we love you so much. Bavulazi, last words. I think we're gonna have a second episode for Bavulazi.
Proposal.
Are you willing to come back again and to sit down with us and talk?
I'm welcome.
Yeah, you are welcome. I'm saying, are you willing? Kiss
me.
say. Kiss Khoa. Pepete, kiss Khoa.
Sizogcina ngalena kodwa masiqala the next
Sengithi mina lento le program khona mina ngifuna ukuthi phuma indaba yamakhansela. Ngena abantu administrators in every ward.
That's your last word. That's your last word.
Abantwana bakhona.
Yes.
And
But mina ngithi man, Bavulazi ngaqeda. Ngisho ukuthi mina ngifuna ukuthi uwazi Bavulazi ukuthi la ekhaya you are welcome. We'll have we can even say next weekend Sunday.
No, I'm always available.
Yes.
I'm available.
Nothing of camp conversation. Let him finish.
No. You keep quiet and touch button on the camera. Don't tell me what to
You're
do.
waiting. That's an ambush.
Yeah, Musu Sambush and Nankanas.
But you were saying he's closing. Why are you now?
You see now. Boy.
Sunday.
Sisaze busy boy, bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye.
We're finishing now.
So, no, Mshini. You.
Carry on, leave machine handle.
Yeah, I'm
No.
from Fog.
No.
No, do not dictate him.
He must not to take me.
You want to finalize this thing. May closing statement.
Yes, I'm doing a closing statement. I want you to understand. Like I was doing a closing statement. I'm saying, I don't care if ever you want to finish or whatever you want to say. I'm saying, next time, this is your home. You are welcome. Let's do it another time. Right? Is that fine?
No, it's fine.
Exactly. It's my closing statement. I'm saying, let's close this because we've been doing it for more than 2 hours. Our cameras don't have that type of storage where we can just roll. So, as Ivan, Sakile, Nama toilet up. Wave Session Podcast, Sakile was here. Mr. S.
Yes, good.
Sorry. Mr. S was in the building. Bob Camelo was in the building. Old Boy was here. We had our first time, Coast Lady, Upocho in the building. And you are welcome to come and visit us, by the way. It seems like you're enjoying this thing, right? You are? She is okay if she comes?
Anybody want to answer what I'm
Is she
saying?
okay
is
if she
welcome.
comes?
Okay, even if we are not okay, so to say okay.
Or because you don't want to say no?
No, I feel on the spotlight.
Yeah, but be real. Say no if you don't want it. If you don't want it to come, say no.
No.
Yeah,
I'm joking,
no.
you know,
They said no. They said no. They said no. Like, come
Why are
on.
you
Why?
running away?
Why are you running away? Why are you
Why
running
are you
away?
running away from
Nina Yabona, you cooked something outside before you came here. Nothing is allegedly.
No.
Oh, why are you feeling stuff?
Guilty conscience.
Guilty conscience. Guilty conscience. This is Thomas.